You can get the Flutter SDK from flutter.io. Getting started. There are three options: Windows, Mac, and Linux. We are currently using Windows, so I'm going to get it a Windows SDK. You can install for Linux and Mac. Just follow along the instructions. This is the SDK going to download. You can get it through Git if you guys know. It will take some time, so I'm going to pause this video for a moment. I don't want to make this video too long, so I did pause it. It's now almost completed. Only 2 minutes are required. Let's see the system requirements for the Flutter. We need an operating system for Windows 7 uh, or higher. We are currently using Windows 10, so it will be no problem. Disk space of 400. uh, this is good, this is good. Everything here is up to the requirement. We can also get the fixed version for the Flutter and skip the step 1, step 2 from Flutter repository using Git, as I told you earlier. Let's see the Git profile for the Flutter. So this is the Git profile for the Flutter. There's an example done as well for the project. Nice. A huge community is supporting Flutter nowadays. Okay, now the Flutter SDK has been installed and downloaded. Let's just extract it. Extract it to somewhere. It's getting extracted. It's taking too long to get extracted. I don't know why. Probably because it's 600 MB or something. My Flutter has been extracted, and now you can see this is installed over here. First of all, we are going to add this in our environment variables. So let's copy the path. Environment variable, path, new, Flutter. That's okay. Okay. Let's hit command prompt. Flutter doctor. I'm going to add this command in description in case you want to copy it. It takes some time. Let's wait. for it to run. As you can see, Flutter has been installed and Android toolchain has also been there. In case you have an error or a crossover here, you need to write this command flutter doctor dash dash android license, and this will install the license for you. In case you have a cross over here, I'm going to add this also in the description for you to install. Okay, as now the Flutter has been set up, let's see what we are going to use for our coding and code editor. Visual Studio Code is a nice tool. You can download it. It's very easy. You just need to click on this button and this will set up for you. And we are also going to install Android Studio. uh, Android Studio. You can get this from this. I'm going to add this link as well in the description. This is a very good tool as well, but it's very heavy, so I recommended you guys to use Visual Studio Code if you don't have a good PC with a good RAM. Uh, it's a nice tool as well. We are going to install both. As I already have both of them in my PC, I'm going to skip it, but it's very easy to install and requires a lot of time. It's 700 MB. So install this as well, this Visual Studio Code as well. Plus I'm going to open Visual Studio Code for you guys. Wait a second. In Visual Studio Code, you need to add this extension as well. Flutter, this one, Flutter Dart Code. This is basically the SDK. This detects the SDK, and you can run this code on Android Studio using this package or extension. You also, and in Android Studio, you need to install a package as well, a plugin as well. It takes some time to open. It's getting started. It's almost there. You will get a nice little screen like this, and from this keyword you can get the plugins. We are going to get Flutter. You just need to install this plugin, Flutter. I've already installed this plugin, so there is a keyword for install. You will get a keyword for the tick within install. Okay, let's create a project. As we have set up our tools, a simple one with no boilerplate, only the demo one. You can also create the project using terminal as well. I will going to show that as well in the later videos. As we are going to use Visual Studio Code, we'll be going to use terminal for most of our work. This is a boilerplate code given by a Flutter team. Let's run it. As you have set up the Android Studio first time, you won't be having any virtual device, so you can create one from Tools, AVD Manager, and I have 3 of them, but you can create it from here. Pixel 2, next, Android Pie, next, device name, I'm going to name it demo device, and finish. And now you can see a new device over here named demo device. I'm going to run it. It's getting loaded. Now you can see device over there. It's a virtual device. Where is it? It's getting started. After the screen will get loaded, there will be a device shown over here over which we are going to install our application. In case you have seen this code, don't get frightened. This is a boilerplate code and you will get hang of it real soon in the later videos. The video is going too long. I don't know why my PC is not working at its full. It has a good specs. Basically it's a laptop, not a PC. Now it's on. You can see Android Studio SDK built for x86. Let's run it. It will take some time. Building. As we have just installed the SDK, it will take some time for the first run, but after quite 2 or 3 runs, it will be much faster than this one. Let's see. It should be up now. I don't know why it's taking too much long. Running build task, assembling and debugging. Now it's installing build. Oh, it's getting started. This is the demo application from the Flutter team. You can click the button over here. This will change the number. Tick, 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 tick. This is all for today, and we'll see you guys next time at Coding Bit or BitCoding. Sorry, BitCoding. We are going to learn more about it. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our